Greetings, and welcome to the Bug0xF4 YouTube channel. The purpose of this video is to provide a short overview of what kind of content you can expect in future, and how that content is going to be structured and formatted. We are still learning the necessary skills for properly running a YouTube channel, but in future our videos will have a much better production value. In terms of upcoming content, you can expect various tutorial series covering different aspects of web application security, cybersecurity news updates, and podcast-style interviews with well-known cybersecurity professionals. We will also be doing live streams where we solve cybersecurity challenges in a legal and ethical environment. Many of our tutorial videos will have an emphasis on bug bounty hunting, and although this will be a cybersecurity channel in general, the specific niche that we will be focusing on is bug bounty hunting. In short, we are dedicated to providing you with valuable insights into web application security in the exciting world of bug bounties. Our content is tailored for both beginners and seasoned cybersecurity enthusiasts, offering step-by-step tutorials, real-life case studies, and interviews with top bug bounty hunters. By subscribing to our channel, you'll gain access to a wealth of knowledge that will empower you to secure your own online presence, and before you know it, you'll be raking in the dollars by participating in bug bounty programs. This channel is being ran by the Bug0xF4 team, and several members of the team will be helping to create unique content for the channel. And working together as a team, we intend to eventually turn our channel into the one-stop destination for all things web application security and bug bounties. We hope that the upcoming content on this channel will equip you with the knowledge and skills to navigate the ever-evolving landscape of online security. Although the quality of our videos is currently very bad, we are working fast to improve that, and our upcoming tutorial series will be of a much higher quality. The upcoming videos will be narrated by members of the Bug0xF4 team. Once we do start releasing videos, though, our plan is to start out beginner-friendly before moving on to more advanced topics, enabling you to pursue information security as a hobby or even as a career. Although it is worth noting that embarking on a journey in information security is not just a hobby or a career choice, it's a calling. It's an opportunity to become a digital defender in our increasingly interconnected world. In this field, you'll be at the forefront of defending against cyber threats and safeguarding valuable data. It's a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape where each day brings new challenges and opportunities to learn and grow. Information security professionals are in high demand across industries, ensuring job stability and excellent earning potential. Beyond that, the sense of purpose you'll find in protecting individuals, organizations, and even nations from cyber attacks is immensely gratifying. So, if you're driven by curiosity, love problem-solving, and have a passion for making the digital world safer, then dive in, and you'll discover a world of endless possibilities and a chance to make a real impact. And finally, to everyone who came from Simon's channel, thank you for subscribing, and we hope you learned some new stuff here. It's great to have you on board. That's all for now, just a quick update on the status of the channel and what can be expected in the short-term future. Thank you for your time.